Hello students, welcome to my channel Good Mind Gyan. Today's topic is pollution, total geography ICSE class 9. Here I will be giving you an introduction about pollution, pollutants and the types of pollutants. So let's go ahead. In this syllabus, we have the types, that is air pollution, water pollution, which will cover fresh and marine, soil pollution, then we have radioactive pollution, which is also called as radiation, and noise pollution. What is pollution? Any change in the natural quality of environment brought about by chemical, physical or biological factors. It is termed as pollution. What are pollutants? Pollutants are the products which are released into the biosphere in large quantities and which affect the normal functioning of ecosystems and have an adverse effect on plants, animals and man. Basically, the pollutants contaminate air, water as well as soil. The types of pollutants can be classified into two categories on the basis of degradation. That is biodegradable pollutants and non-biodegradable pollutants. Biodegradable pollutants, the substances which are having biological or microbial actions, okay, is called as biodegradable pollutants. Example are sewage, domestic garbage, etc. Then we have the non-biodegradable pollutants, the pollutants which are not degraded by microbes or degrade at a very slow rate are known as non-biodegradable pollutants. Examples are glass, plastics, radioactive substances, pesticides, etc. Next, the types of pollutants can be categorized on the basis of origin in environment. We have primary pollutants and secondary pollutants. Primary pollutants are directly introduced by their sources into the environment. Like we have ash, smoke, fumes, dust, carbon dioxide which is CO2, sulfur dioxide SO2, CH4 that is methane, C6H6 that is benzene and acetylene. Similarly, we have secondary pollutants formed from the chemical reaction of the primary pollutants. So whatever pollutants are there like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, methane, benzene, acetylene, these are the primary pollutants. So with the chemical reaction of these primary pollutants, okay, like example again we can take as nitrogen oxides and hydrocarbons released from automobiles. They are the two primary pollutants which react in the presence of sunlight. So they will react with sunlight and they will form PAN. PAN is peroxyacetyl nitrate. They will form PAN, peroxyacetyl nitrate, along with ozone. So these two secondary pollutants which are formed are far more toxic than the primary pollutants from which they are derived. So the secondary pollutants are more harmful and more toxic. Next, let us see the types of pollutants on the basis of existence in nature. They can be divided into quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative pollutants, they exist in nature but act as pollutants when their concentration or quantity increases up to a critical level in the atmosphere. For example, we have carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, etc. So these are the quantitative pollutants. We also have qualitative pollutants which do not exist in the environment. They are introduced in the environment through human activities like introduction of pesticides, DDT, chemical fertilizers, herbicides. So whatever man is producing, the man-made things, okay, they are responsible for qualitative pollutants. I hope you liked my video. If you have liked my video, please share and give comments to the video. If you are a new visitor, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. I will surely be coming with more videos. The next part which I would be covering is pollution and the types of pollution. So see you soon. Thank you.